सो शुरू करें?
शुरू तो कब से है पर कहीं पहुंच नहीं रहे.
હા પદ્માંડે એન્ડ ધ ડ્યુટીઝ નેવર એન્ડ. એટલે આ બધું કટ કરવાનું છે.
હા.
ખાસું તું ગજબ ઇંગ્લિશ બોલી કાઢ્યું આવાજ છે.
पैसा આવ્યા છે सब में कद्दू कटेगा तो सब में बचेगा. એ ગણપતિ બાપા છે અમારું આમથી આમ થાતું જોઈએ.
આપણે કોઈ આવી રીલ શેર કરીએ વેર ઇટ ઇઝ અબાઉટ ફેમિનિઝમ.
ઓકે સો બધાને આઈ ફીલ એવું લાગે છે આપણે બધા બહુ મોડર્ન થઈ ગયા છે.
favorite or wanted college for higher education.
But one instance I'll share, I was in an event college.
Do you have any idea who are the top business women?
I have heard a lot of things about and I've seen videos of Sudha Murthy.
So what is your strength?
But I'll talk about my mother-in-law especially. So she's my strength. Especially women learn to say no.
Actually, I have noticed this thing. આપણે એકબીજાને જ્યારે રીલ્સ મોકલીએ or whenever we share it in our group also.
Right.
આપણે કોઈ આવી રીલ શેર કરીએ where it is about feminism. બધાને એવું લાગે કે we as a women community we want to be superior than the male community.
પણ નથી થવું અમને કોઈથી સુપીરિયર.
પણ આપણે છે જ ઓલરેડી, પણ એવું અમને ડિરેક્ટલી કહેવું નથી અને પ્રૂવ બી નથી કરવું.
રાઈટ.
બટ what misconception it has been going on since long कि બધા ઇક્વાલિટી માંગે છે, આટલું બધું આપ્યું તો છે. સો મને જાણવું છે શું આપ્યું છે.
ઓકે સો બધાને આઈ ફીલ એવું લાગે છે આપણે બધા બહુ મોડર્ન થઈ ગયા છે કે એવરીબડી ઇઝ વેરી પ્રોગ્રેસિવ નાવ. બધા બધું જ કરે છે, બધા બધે જાય છે, એવરીબડી ઇઝ વેરિંગ એવરીથિંગ. સો દે રિલેટ દેટ ઇફ વી આર અલાવિંગ વિમેન કરો જ છો ને તો થઈ ગયું છે બધું બરાબર.
This allowing statement એ મને છે ને I remember this dialogue दिल धड़कने दो, you remember? Yes. फरहान अख्तर says कि अगर उनको तुमसे परमिशन लेनी पड़े.
Hence, because for an example, it's a group plan or it's a trip of girls or it's a movie, nobody will say directly yes. It's always going to be like, હું પૂછીને કહું. और I will let you know in some time. You know why let you know in some time? क्योंकि उनको बैक एंड पे 4 चीजें करनी है. मैं बच्चे को कैसे सेट करूं, मैं जॉब से इतने बजे आ जाऊंगी, मेरी मदर इन लॉ को खाना दे दिया होगा, पापा जी को चाय दे दी होगी कि नहीं, वो सेट करके वो मूवी जाएगी.
Also, husband से भी पूछना पड़ेगा, are you free
to keep the kids? And if the same question has been asked to male group में, within 5 minutes the plan is done.
और वो लोग सिर्फ
they don't have to think. And then still people are gonna say feminism hai, equality hai. So even, Ami, for an example, what I really don't like is why are kids' birthday parties में gifts, return favors, everything is bifurcated. हर जगह girls, ये girl की return gift है, ये boy की है. Why cannot it be unisex? क्या हो जाता है? Why is it कि girls को pink ही देना है? बॉयज को ब्लू, ब्लैक, पर्पल ही चाहिए, होना ही चाहिए.
અને ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ લાઈક ફોર અસ ઓનલી, મે બી બીકોઝ એ લોકોને પહેલાથી એવી આઈડિયા છે ને, તો કિડ્સ ઓલ્સો ગલતીથી ઇફ યુ હેવ ગિવન અ બોય અ પિંક વોટર બોટલ, ઈ કહેશે નહીં एक्सचेंज कर दो. हाँ, ये
you know why they'll say, वो सीख के नहीं आए बचपन से, बट वो सुना है, सबकॉन्शियस में इतनी बार गया है कि पिंक इज अ गर्ल्स कलर, तो उन नो पिंक इज अ गर्ल्स कलर. हाँ, सॉरी, पिंक इज अ गर्ल्स कलर, तो उनको ये लगता है कि मुझे पिंक मिलना ही नहीं चाहिए, वो रिटर्न गिफ्ट हो या एक बैग भी क्यों ना हो. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. वो इतना बचपन से हर चीज, दिस इज जस्ट अ थिंग अबाउट कलर.
फेवरेट और wanted college for higher education, એમાં બી એકવાર કહેવાશે કે આટલું દૂર શું કામ જવું છે, કોઈ નજીકમાં બી તો સારું છે જ ને બધું.
Right.
So you know how
Always that option is given,
yes,
always considering કે women ને તો નજદીક રહો.
હા, ઘર પાસે રહેવાનું એમ. એટલે તું હમણાં કહેશે કે ના મારે સાઉથમાં બહુ ફાઇન ના, આટલું દૂર શું કામ જવું છે, બોમ્બે અમદાવાદ છે ને. It is like that, it just keeps on going on. Then I guess we have done our colleging from Mumbai. It was
Yeah.
good. Mumbai was
See,
cool.
Mumbai is very good. Mumbai had full good freedom with majority safe life. And I can say Mumbai, जो बोलता है ना सपनों की नगरी, it is.
It is.
It does have something that it caters to everybody, I feel. So Mumbai was always good. I was in SVKM UPG and I did my bachelor's from there and it was amazing. But one instance I'll share, I was in an event college. I was doing my post-graduation. So we used to be sent from the college to work in multiple events, from fashion shows to awards, Bollywood awards to many big weddings, everything, so that we get experience. And then we all were very, intrigued to go because of course we also want those certificates. तो वो एक ऐड कर लेगा हमारे बायोडेटा में, तो हम जाते थे ऐसे. पर जो इवेंट्स 10 से 11 बजे के बाद की होती थी या वो प्रोलॉन्ग चलने वाली है पूरी रात, उसमें भी गर्ल्स वर नेवर अलाउड. व्हाई? बिकॉज के नहीं अलाउड है, नहीं चल सकता. तो
Safety reasons.
अग्रीड, दे वुड बी वरीड अबाउट अस. उनको भी आज पेरेंट्स को शायद जवाब देना पड़े इफ समथिंग हैपेंस. But that's what I feel कि I did not get that exposure of those events. I have the caliber, I have that interest in doing it. पर वो मिला ही नहीं exposure because I'm a girl. And I understand the safety things. I completely understand. But then why not make a world where we do not have to tell anybody to sit at the house कि आप 10 बजे के बाद काम पे मत आओ. Rather make a world which is so kinder, which is so safer for any gender.
આજે તું એ અત્યારે ઇવેન્ટની વાત કરી.
Right.
It is not only restricted to events.
Of course not.
Of course not. That is not given.
Right.
પણ આ તો હું just કહું છું. You know how about in corporates, MNCs, એક તો inequality in pay
Of
plus
course.
mansplaining.
Of course.
એ બધું તો ચલ બહુ મોટા issues છે. નાના issues બી બહુ બધા છે.
Right.
You know, where we are not heard, seen, rewarded.
Right.
Everything is there. Plus additional responsibilities of household.
Of course.
The given additional જે ઓલું એસ્ટ્રેક્ટ સાથે આવે ને એ તો तुम्हारा ही काम है.
Right.
આજે ઓફિસ થી આવીએ, both are tired.
Partners are tired,
Both
of
partners
course.
are tired, right?
Yeah.
હસબન્ડ ટીવી ચાલુ કરીને આજે નેટફ્લિક્સ એન્ડ ચીલ કરશે.
Right.
આપણે કોઈ ચીલ, આપણે ફ્રીજ ખોલીને કામ કરવા માટે
Yeah,
ચીલ
because you have to
કરવાનું.
cook, you have to do the chores, laundry is your duty, cleaning thing is your duty.
Maybe એ બધા માટે maids of course હવે તો બધા રાખે જ છે, but still there are certain things that is only up to the female of the house. That is
Agreed.
there.
See, you're right. Everybody has maids, બધા પાસે છે જ maids. પણ એ manage કોણ કરે છે?
Huh?
Women.
Of course.
Men are not going to manage that. So again, it eventually comes down to women only.
હા, એટલે એ બધું ઓલું કઈ ને mental stress is constantly going on there कि अच्छा આણે ઝાડુ કર્યું હશે કે નહીં,
वो आई होगी कि नहीं,
हाँ.
वो गई होगी कि नहीं. People have put up cameras in the houses now because they are only not in the house. वो life ही पूरी
it is a very stressful life.
I know.
Only for us.
only for women majorly.
Yeah. And corporate culture has become very tough now.
It sure has become very tough. અને मैंने ये भी सुना है कि MNCs में if in case you wanna get pregnant or you're planning for a child, you have to inform them beforehand.
What?
Yeah, you have to inform them beforehand ताकि उनको replacement चाहिए तो पता होना चाहिए, आप कितने दिन नहीं आओगे वो पता होना चाहिए. But for the same, do men have to explain that we are planning
I
a
was
baby?
just about to ask कि બંને કરવાનું inform
No.
ના,
The
only
fathers do not have to, the men do not have to, but because it's inside women's body, which we feel is the best thing in the world, but still you have to answer for that beforehand, even before you get pregnant.
accountability.
So the problem is not ke humko importance do. It's just about why can't you treat us equally?
Do you have any idea who are the top business women?
I know about Miss Nair. She's of Nykaa, I
Nykaa,
guess,
Nykaa.
because she's been doing too good.
Yes.
And the success was, I think, within 4-5 years, she has taken Nykaa to another level.
100%.
And I have heard a lot of things about, and I've seen videos of Sudha Murthy.
हाँ,
She's a good philanthropist and I admire her.
true.
I love her. But I think more than that, I cannot recollect.
That is what got me to thinking कि મને પોતાને બી નથી ખબર.
I know, I understand. हाँ.
And now if you think
Strikers
business
નહીં
ના,
થાય.
તું બિઝનેસ સોચે તો તને ઓટોમેટિકલી બધા મેન યાદ આવે, અંબાની, અદાની, ये वो, but
Right.
you never realize कि આપણે કોઈ દિવસ એવું સોઈતો બી નથી. I would really like people to learn more names because I
Google
am
it.
definitely going to.
I know.
So this things. So that is what my point was कि આ બધું છે ને subconsciously એટલું બધું ઓલું છે, nobody is deliberately doing it, but somehow આપણે એટલું notice
Right.
બી નહીં કરીએ,
Right.
ધ્યાન બી નહીં આપીએ, and this is all very little bit biased towards the men even if we don't want to.
Right. And I also feel कि women को women की ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए,
100%.
ज्यादा हेल्प करनी चाहिए, ज्यादा एडमिरेशन रखना चाहिए. हेल्दी कंपटीशन इज एवरीवेयर, बट व्हाट आई फील इज अगर women एक दूसरे को नीचे पुल नहीं करेंगे ना, तो लाइफ वुड बी मच बेटर.
શું કહેવાય એને saying છે ને કે औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन
दुश्मन होती
but
है.
it is not like that.
Right.
Like we have a group of
We have a
women
good
around
group,
us. Do.
and I think today we are so sane, we are so happy, we are so, just at peace. I feel just because we have a good group of girls around us, and I think everyone needs it, and you all can also relate that तुम्हारी जो वो होती है ना बेनपनिया खास, वो तुमको बहुत सरवाइव कराती है हर चीज में, छोटी से छोटी बड़ी से बड़ी.
100%.
So we all need our girl gang to
100%.
operate.
I mean, we do that, whenever we have a
Definitely.
little bit of very okayish or melancholy type of week,
Day, yeah.
हम message करते हैं, let's meet today.
Yeah, and we will.
we
And we
will.
make sure to uplift each other all the
100%.
time. We are there for each other, and I think that's how womenhood should be. It
The
will
world
be
can be
good.
better.
Much better place
The
to
world
live.
can be better, yes, definitely.
Oh no.
हाँ पद्मा आंटी, मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ. हाँ यार,
आपको स्टार्टिंग आज हाँ पर मंडे.
See?
you actually can start with
I do
this.
this. I'll 100% do.
You actually can start with this. And the duties never end. So talking about this womanhood thing, अपने तो set है.
I
We
am
have
blessed.
we have this very nice girl group, but I feel that every women need a group of girls.
Of course, girls need their girls.
हाँ, to बोलते हैं ना, rejuvenate them from their stress and everything.
I know.
You can be unfiltered. You can be whatever you want to be.
There are no judgments.
Huh.
See, when girls meet girls, and luckily you have that group,
हाँ.
there are no judgments, there are no biasness, there's just pure joy.
And then there is a lot of rant also, which is very
course.
good. That is the ultimate
But that's how
therapy,
we
I guess.
went.
Yes.
That's how we went. So I feel everybody needs their own girl gang because they keep us grounded, they keep us leveled, they keep us sane. And that's what we need in this stressful world, because I think अब वो जमाना ही ऐसा हो गया ना, हर चीज में स्ट्रेस है. बट आई थिंक वो एक है वुमेनहुड में, गर्ल्स फ्रेंडशिप में, कि व्हेन यू मीट देम ना,
it's girl therapy.
Ease, yeah.
It's girl
just-
therapy.
It's venting, it's talking, it's crying, it's blabbering, but it's just fun. And everyone needs that. 100%. એ ગણપતિ બાપા છે અમારું, આમથી આમ થાતું જોઈએ.
So this girl gang thing, we have learned this, to have a group of girlfriends to calm your nerves, basically. I don't think our upper generation ever had this kind of privilege, or they ever learned that how nice this setting could be.
So you said the word already, privileged. They did not have time. There was no technology. Silpatte ki chutney.
Oh yes, I remember.
So they were
that.
so overly occupied. और उस जमाने की लेडीज पे तो इतना थोपा गया था. I'm talking about अपनी मम्मी, सासूस and that generation. के मदर ड्यूटी यही है, घर संभालना है, बच्चे देखना है. There's no other goal in their life.
Correct.
There were barely any kitties, or they were going out. They were not working. They were maybe not.
Dinners were family dinners.
Everything was
Vacations
family.
were family vacations.
कभी उन्होंने
Me
खुद
time
के
concept,
लिए,
हाँ, the me time concept
खुद
was
के
not
लिए
there.
कुछ किया ही नहीं है.
Hmm.
बिकॉज उनका एक ही एम था, घर. उनके अलावा उनको इससे ज्यादा केपेबल समझा ही नहीं गया है.
Correct.
But now if you see those women, they are in 50 and 60
Hmm.
and I see them thriving. They are thriving because अब awareness है, अब वो समझते हैं, और वो होता है ना हर ग्रुप में वो 2-3 होते हैं, प्लान बनाएंगे ही, जाएंगे ही, करना ही है, यही पहनना है, ये थीम है, एवरीबडी शुड वर्क, सबको कुछ काम करना जरूरी है लाइफ में, सिर्फ घर पे नहीं बैठना है. तो इतना अपलिफ्टमेंट हो गया है ना एक दूसरे का, हेंस द गर्ल गैंग कम्स, उसके वजह से द लाइफ गेट्स बेटर फॉर श्योर.
So what is your strength?
So I think I have always been admired by very small things from everybody. किसी से स्ट्रेंथ दिखती है तो किसी से वल्नरेबल होना भी सीखना चाहिए, तो किसी से इमोशनल होना भी होना चाहिए. So we learn from everybody, but I'll talk about my mother-in-law especially. मैं मम्मी से इतना सीखी हूँ. She is so grounded. She is yet so helpful. She is expressive also. She knows what battles to fight, what not to fight, and she's very balanced. And that's what I like about her. I lost my mother at a very young age. So I think she has been the pillar in my life. She was always there. થઈ જશે, ડર નહીં, કરી લે, આગળ વધ, બહુ વિચારવાનું નહીં, બધું થઈ જાય, ચલો चलो चलो કરી લ્યો. वो बोलती रही है और वो आज तक मुझे कुछ भी छोटी अगर मैं पेन लेके बैठी ना, अरे यार मम्मा આવું થઈ ગયું, બધું થઈ જશે, ચિંતા નહીં કરવાની, લોડ નહીં લેવાનું માથા પર, બધા સોલ્યુશન્સ છે, ચલો 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 get up, do it. So she's always encouraged me. Whatever I have had failed businesses, I have struggled in my work when earlier in the marriage, but she was always there. So she's my strength.
I have seen this very sweet reel on Instagram once. You know, a girl is walking on the road and
Okay.
another random girl passes by her, and she tells her that, wow, your dress is looking very nice. And oh my God, she smiles for an entire week, reliving that
So the
moment
same thing
in
is
her
I
head.
heard that everybody says that women don't dress up for men.
Huh,
They dress up for women.
100%.
They don't dress up for men.
100%. That compliment, you know,
Yeah.
it just goes
It hits
on.
hard.
It hits hard.
See, when for an example I'm going to go out with Shanik, I might wear a loosey pant and a t-shirt and I don't care. But if we girls are going out, everyone's going to dress up. They're going to
100%.
look their best. They want to do their best. So I think it is women who brings out the best,
Best in
you.
women.
Always. Especially women, learn to say no. થાય શું છે આમાં? I think subconsciously એમ બી women જોજે generally બી men કરતા no ઓછું જ બોલતા હોય, because we are taught like that. હા કહી દેવાનું, કોઈને કરી આપવાનું, ના નહીં પાડવાનું, કેમ ના, શું ના. તો એ subconsciously થોડુંક હતું મારા માઇન્ડમાં. And then I think as you grow, as you meet people, as you learn the lessons, and sometimes you do fall into the trap that you want to be in good books of everybody. I think that's with women के किसी की बैड बुक्स में नहीं आना है,
बधाना
बुरा
सामने
नहीं बोले,
सारू
मैं
देखाવું
सबके
જોઈએ.
सामने अच्छी ही दिखनी चाहिए कि नहीं ये अच्छी लड़की है. But I think it's time we should get down our thrones and we should do whatever we want. It's time. Because वो लोगों को प्लीज करने में, कॉन्स्टेंटली हाँ बोलने में, यू आर इमोशनली ड्रेनिंग योर सेल्फ ईच टाइम बाई डूइंग थिंग्स दैट यू डोंट वांट टू, बाई गोइंग अगेंस्ट योर विशेस, बाई नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग सेल्फ केयर. विमेन इवेंचुअली क्या कर रही है? हाँ कर ही दईस, हो जाएगा, कर लूंगी, चाहे खुद के ठिकाने नहीं है. You are yourself struggling, but still you will go out of the way. It is of course good to help others, but there should be a boundary.
Like how you said about no and boundaries, you know, I would like to say that, you know, feminism જે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીએ છીએ ને, this is not just about discussions and big speeches and hashtags and all that. This is about the change that we want to bring in our daily lives, you know, for our next generation. Like I have a son and daughter, right? I want them to learn that it is okay to cry for both of them. I would really like to tell you that my son, he does his dusting, my room's dusting every day in spite of my maid doing it. You know, he does his chores, like he folds his blanket and everything. So this is something that we want to inculcate कि नहीं ये तुम्हारा भी काम है, तुम्हारे कपड़े रखना तुम्हारा काम है, उसके कपड़े रखना उसका काम है. हाँ, basic chores. પ્લેટ મૂકીને આવવાનું, clean the things that you have left in your plate. So these small things મને એવું લાગે કે બધાને જ આવડવી જોઈએ in spite of their gender. This is something that I want every mother to teach their kids.
So I've been meaning to ask you also, or is it just generally my observation, कि everybody has a busy schedule, somebody is working, somebody is a mother. तो वो रात के टाइम पे मैंने देखा है जनरली सब घरों में, if you're walking around you see कोई शांति से बैठा है, everybody is chilling, somebody is watching TV, and barely I see self-care for the women. What do you think? Is there a proper nighttime routine for a woman?
So I'll tell you the nighttime routine. Supposedly, a woman is there and she is tired and she says that she wants to go to bed.
Right.
She'll get up, she'll go into the kitchen. She'll just place everything that was messed up. किचन साफ करेगी पहले, सारा सामान सिंक में रखेगी. ओपन द फ्रिज में से कल के सुबह की टिफिन की तैयारी करेगी. अगर ब्रेकफास्ट हुआ तो ब्रेकफास्ट की तैयारी, एंड देन लंच के लिए प्रिपरेशन करेगी. ठीक है, वो सब कर दिया. कॉफी, कई जगहों पे दे हैव दिस फैंसी कॉफी मेकर, सो यू नीड टू पुट कॉफी इन ऑल दैट. सो वो सब रेडी करके देन शील गो अपस्टेयर्स और मे बी इन हर किड्स रूम में जाके देखेगी पहले बच्चे सो रहे हैं कि नहीं. बच्चे सो गए होंगे तो उनका सारा फैलाया हुआ सामान साफ करेगी. फिर बाहर से आवाज आएगी, अरे तू तो सोने जा रही थी ना. देन शील से कि ओके वेट, आई एम गोइंग ओनली, आई एम जस्ट फिनिशिंग अप. वो सारा सामान रखा. देन शील गो टू हर रूम, अपने रूम का सारा फैला हुआ साफ करेगी. यहाँ से उठाएगी, वहां से उठाएगी. देन शील गो फॉर हर स्किन केयर रूटीन इफ she does that, which is not, I guess, how it goes everywhere. वो सब करेगी. And then what happens is, then the husband says, okay, now I am tired, I need to go to sleep, and then he just goes to the bed and goes to sleep. That's how it is. Very nice nighttime routine.
Right. पैसा आया है, सब में कद्दू कटेगा तो सब में बचेगा.
The thing that I want my daughter to learn is to live the way she wants to live, be comfortable in her own skin, do whatever she wants to do without any regret. I think that is the good way of living. Do you want to say something about mom guilt?
Okay, so I think working women का ratio, as we can see, बढ़ ही गया है. Everybody is working only generally now. बट होता क्या है ना, एक मॉम गिल्ट तो आई थिंक एज सून एज यू गेट द चाइल्ड इन योर हैंड वो एक आ ही जाता है दैट यू वांट टू लव इट. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए, मेरे वजह से कुछ नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. डिड इट ईट प्रॉपरली, डिड इट स्लीप ऑन टाइम, मतलब वो कॉन्स्टेंटली एक लूप रहता ही है. बट आई हैव सीन स्पेशली इन वर्किंग वुमेन, मुझे तो क्या उसको छोड़ के जाना पड़ता है ना, मुझे तो क्या उसको दादी के पास छोड़ के जाना पड़ता है, केयरटेकर के पास छोड़ के जाना पड़ता है. मैं ऐसे सेट करके आई हूँ, मुझे ये देखना पड़ता है. एंड आई हैव सीन दोज वुमेन आर स्ट्रगलिंग सो मच. दे आर एक्चुअली डूइंग गुड, दे आर वर्किंग. व्हेन दे आर होम, शायद वो स्टे एट होम मॉम से ज्यादा टाइम देती होगी जब वो 2 घंटे घर पे होती होगी. वी डोंट नो दैट. बट वो एक इम्प्लाइड है कि बच्चे को छोड़ पे काम करने की जरूरत क्या है. ऐसा तो क्या है कि तुमको काम पे जाना ही है. Can't you take a break or take a sabbatical from work for this many years till the child is 3, 4, 5? See, there is no end to it.
Okay, so welcome guys to the rapid fire of Friends in Town. Quick words and big feelings. One word that describes your friendship.
Loyalty.
A feminist icon you admire.
Priyanka Chopra.
One lesson your mother taught you that you'll never forget.
Never give up.
The first friend who believed in you.
Ishani.
One thing you think all women should unapologetically ask for.
Basic rights.
A quality in your friend you wish you had.
Supportive.
One change you like to see in how society treats mothers.
Please treat us with respect.
A song that reminds you of your friendship.
I guess anything we can sing aloud.
If feminism were a flavor, what would it be?
Rainbow.
A word you want every little girl to know the meaning of.
No.
One habit of your friend that makes you laugh every time.
The humor.
This bravest thing you have done as a woman.
This podcast.
One thing you do differently if you could go back to your teenage years.
I would say no often.
A friendship ritual you'd never give up.
Girls' night.
Your one-line advice to your future daughter or son about equality.
You do you.
Thank you guys.